In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the HubSpot website builder to create and manage a professional site without needing any coding skills. Start by accessing the website builder inside your HubSpot dashboard. Head to the content section where you can create website pages, landing pages, or blog posts. This is your central workspace for building your online presence. Once you're inside, the drag and drop editor is your main tool. You can add elements like text, images, buttons, and forms directly onto your page. Everything updates in real time, so what you see is exactly what your visitors will see. As you build your page, you can rearrange sections, adjust layouts, and customize modules to match your brand. The editor is flexible, so you can experiment freely and make changes anytime. One of the biggest advantages is the built-in CRM integration. Every interaction on your website, like form submissions or page visits, is automatically tracked inside HubSpot. This allows you to personalize content and better understand your audience. Next, choose a theme or template for your site. HubSpot offers responsive designs that automatically adjust for mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand identity. For optimization, use the built-in SEO tools. As you create content, HubSpot provides suggestions to improve things like keywords, meta descriptions, and overall page performance. You can also use AI tools within HubSpot to generate content or test different variations of your pages. This helps you save time and improve results through experimentation. Hosting and security are handled automatically, so your website stays fast, secure, and reliable without extra setup. Finally, use the analytics dashboard to track how your website is performing. You can monitor traffic, conversions, and user behavior all in one place. Once your page is ready, click Publish to make it live. And that's it. You now know how to use HubSpot's website builder to create, customize, and optimize a complete website that supports your business goals.